Hello and welcome back. We are going to make this beautiful rainbow using clay. We are going to put all the colorful clays one after another. Now we are making clouds using white clay and put all of them together. Now we are going to paste these droplets like this, and look, your beautiful rainbow with clay is ready. Look at this heart-shaped keychain. Let's make it. We are going to press this colorful clays. We are making a beautiful rose flower by rolling all of them one after another like this. Look, we are taking these colorful clays, put it into a heart case, and look, it is ready. Look at these cute little balls. We are going to make it using clay. Roll a clay like this and make a ball. We are going to make different expressions on it, and look, it is ready. Look at those expressions. How cute these are looking. We are going to fill these balloons with this clay like this. Fill it, and look, we are going to tie a knot at the end. After that, cut the knot and draw beautiful faces, and look, your squeezy balloons are ready. Let's make these cute toys. Fill the container with colorful balls. Now we are going to make the petals of the flower using this yellow clay. Place all of them. Now give it texture, add just leaves, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.